If you're a man over 50 and want to stay strong, energized, and active, these 3 simple exercises can make a powerful difference in your daily life. First is the bodyweight squat, which strengthens your legs, boosts balance, and keeps your joints healthy. Second is the push-up. Even if you start with wall or knee push-ups, this move builds upper body strength and supports heart health. And third is the plank, one of the best exercises to protect your lower back, tighten your core, and improve overall stability. These 3 moves work together to increase muscle mass, support healthy testosterone levels, and improve blood circulation, key factors for men over 50. Do each exercise for 30-40 seconds with a short rest in between, and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. Stay consistent, and you'll notice more energy, better posture, reduced stiffness, and a stronger, more confident body every single day. Start today and invest in your long-term strength and longevity.